Glenn Dominich podcast. You can subscribe now on Apple Podcasts, Spotify.
This is a test of the emergency.
Oh. Really?
WSB consumer expert Clark Howard.
Wait, that was a weekly? Wait a damn second. Wait. Oh my god, they did a weekly. They did a f***ing weekly. Imagine, while your state is testing. I am... I am getting it. Listen to it. Ruskin's doing it.
This is Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warnings and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are connected each Wednesday between 11 and 12.
Oh, come on.
Concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
I can never get WWG 59. Somehow I forgot that you were supposed to be testing.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties.
Just work, please.
These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11
Yes.
and again in the evening between 6 and 8 p.m. And that was severe weather threat. We now return to radio programming.
I forgot they were testing.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. 1 hour before
existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. The Tropical Weather Outlook.